Yahoo!
Welcome to Kota's Kitchen.
Today's dish, Niku Jaga, is a testament to how much your wife or your girlfriend love you. Today, I'm going to cook Niku Jaga, literally means meat and potato. I will cook it to show how much I care my coworkers. Right.
We're all gonna feel loved. I appreciate that.
We have a special assistant, Ryan Yamamoto. I will show how to cut first, and then Ryan Yamamoto will do the rest.
Try. I will try.
Right, starting with potato. Right, for potato, we cut in half, then half again, then make it to 6. You make kind of random cutting by circling the carrots around. Make it to 1 bite sizes. Tear joker onion.
Okay.
So I will cut just the 2 edge, and then cut it half,
Okay.
and then I peel the skin. This way it's easy.
Oh, that's a good tip. You cut it in half first and then peel it
Right.
afterwards.
Yep. And this what is this?
The
thing?
root. The root, yeah.
The root part. Yeah, you can take it off
Oh, okay.
like that. But if you wanna be a little bit fancier, you can be cutting it from diagonal like this.
Okay, I'm gonna try to be fancy today. So it's like diagonal
Right.
towards the center.
Right.
Okay.
Here. And then last ginger, you want a julienne. So I want you to make it julienne.
What does Julienne mean?
Julienne means?
Julienne?
Julienne.
My co-host for Niche Cafe.
Right.
Unfortunately, I have again been written off the waiting list for Kota's Kitchen.
Make it. Just thin, and then make it really thin, like this.
Okay. Like matchsticks?
Right.
Okay. For this
All right.
bro.
So while Ryan is cutting the vegetable for me, I'm going to show you the Niku Jaga stew base. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 10 tablespoons of sake.
Can I ask you something real quick? Okay.
No.
Okay. All right. That's fine.
Dashi extracted sauce. All right. Lastly, soy sauce, 8 tablespoons. So just mix it until sugar dissolves. All right. Stew base is done, and then while Ryan's still cutting, I'm
Almost
going
done.
to start cook meat first. So temperature is about 300. Oil in. Yeah, now oil is acting like a water. All right. First meat. I will just add all in. All right, and you can add the salt. And then pepper.
So you said earlier that
Yep.
the so this dish, Niku Jaga, is like a testament to how much
Right.
your partner loves you, right?
Right.
So how do you understand that?
Yeah,
why
that's right.
why is it like that?
They usually a survey in Japan.
Yeah.
Usually 2 men. So what kind of dish, would you like your partner to cook for you?
Right.
And then Niku Jaga usually comes within top 3. And the reason is that since what you are doing, you have to prepare lots of vegetable.
Yeah.
And it takes time to cook it. So if you care your partner, it doesn't matter how much time it takes to cook one dish, right?
Oh, it's nice. So if I sped through this, then I don't really love you? Is that what you're saying?
So what I'm doing right now is that separating the meats. It was when I put it in, it was layered. So yeah, I have to separate it. So you want to cook the meat until it has some little burns. Right. So meat is ready. I'm going to add carrots, potato, and onions. This pen can contain. Hey, Ryan, you didn't take the
Oh, the root.
root. Come on.
It's okay.
It's all.
I got. Hold on.
Come on, man.
My bad. I was distracted because you told me you love me so many times.
Oh, shit. Maybe I shouldn't be talking to
All
you.
right. Yeah, I know. I'm not the person.
Oh.
It's okay.
All right. So while Ryan is redeeming himself,
I got you. Here.
I will just mixing. Yep. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
All right. Thank you, Ryan.
Sorry.
So it takes probably 3 to 5 minutes to mix all well. All right, vegetables and meats well mixed right now. I'm going to add julienne ginger. Shirataki, it's a cognac noodle. All right, last part, adding stew base.
And how long are we gonna let this go for?
So we are going to cook this for at least 20 minutes. And heat temperature will be, I reduce it to 250. So if you're really cooking in the office, you can go back to your desk to finish up the 20 minutes task.
So we can work on planning for the Northern California Soy and Tofu Festival
Oh yeah, that's right.
on June 22nd, 2024. Here you go.
All right, let's do this. 15 minutes so far. Let's check. Ooh.
Hey, that looks so good.
Wow.
Wow.
Right, so technically we have 5 minutes
5 minutes to
away
go.
from the finishing up. So let's add something green. This sugar snap pea from my garden. So I will just peel the sinewy part, then just adding. Let's
Oh, sure.
do it together. All right, thanks.
Colorful. It's
Yep.
now colorful.
All right, so let's wait for another 2-3 minutes. All right, so now Niku Jaga is done, and we have a special guest from JTF, Japantown Task Force, Haruki.
Yes. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Haruki from. We are working for Japantown, Peace Plaza renovations. Nice to meet you.
All right, great.
Yeah, nice to have you here, man.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Ready?
Yep.
All right, let's see. Niku Jaga is done. Ooh.
Whoa. Let's go.
Lots of love from Ryan and I.
Love it. 10 out of 10.
Good.
Yeah, I feel that you guys love.
Oh, yes,
awesome,
I did.
awesome.
I did.
We
add
put our
that.
hearts
Yes.
into this.
本当？よかった。よかった。